In this video, we're going to show you how to use TRQ brake fluid. Let's get started. Using our TRQ brake cleaner and a clean rag, we're going to spray our rag and clean the top of our master cylinder, get away any dust or dirt that might fall in when we open the cap. Remove the cap for the master cylinder. On our cap, it says to use .3 brake fluid. We're going to grab our TRQ .3 brake fluid and fill the master cylinder. There's a mark located on the side of the master cylinder for the max line. We're going to fill the master cylinder to the max line. If you're having trouble seeing the brake fluid, you can use a flashlight, point it down inside, or give it a wiggle, and you can see the fluid. Once your reservoir is at the max line, put the cap back on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.